What is up, friends? It's been a while. I just wanted to pop on and do this quick little review. I'm actually super excited for this because my teeth have been super important to me recently, especially because I'm getting married in a couple months, and of course I want my teeth to be like pearly whites, you know? So I have been super cautious about my teeth and taking care of them. I've been flossing super good. I even got like a water flosser where you can just go into like water and it acts like a flosser, but it gets way deeper into your teeth and into your gums than like most like flossers do. I've actually been to the dentist a few times, and each visit I've spent like $300. I've had a lot of like deep cleanings. They like scraped all the tartar out of my teeth. I've got a couple fillings, and just like overall have been taking really good care of my teeth. So today I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys a new toothbrush that I'm going to be trying. I'm really excited for this because I've literally never used an electronic toothbrush. I've only just used like normal toothbrushes, so I think this is really going to be neat and fun. So let's go ahead and jump into today's review. Not sure how I feel about this shirt on camera. I feel like I just look very bright and I don't know, but it's super girly and fun and just like full polka dots and whatnot, and it just makes me feel almost kind of like 80s or vintage. But I am gonna go ahead and open this guy up. I'm gonna need to brush my teeth and get out of here because I have to work tonight, but I wanted to brush my teeth with my new toothbrush. So this actually comes with 8 different brush heads to be able to swap out, so I think that's awesome. So really quickly before I open this too much, the purpose of this toothbrush, it has a few disclaimers of like what it does. It really helps with like sensitive teeth. It really helps to clean your teeth, whiten them, polish, and massage them. So I have sensitive teeth, especially now that I've had some fillings and they went in and like numbed me up and scraped out my gums and did all this stuff. My teeth are very sensitive right now, so I think the little soft bristles are going to be really nice for my teeth. So this whole container here is full of brush heads, which I'm really excited about. I'm not going to pull them all out. I just want to open up one to show you guys what they look like. And of course I had to get a pink toothbrush. And I apologize about the lighting. It has been like dark light. The sun's going down, so I didn't have time this morning to like wake up and really film, but I wanted to at least get this in before I go to work tonight. So with that being said, oh, so the toothbrush already has a head on it, so I guess I don't really need the one that I opened, but just know that there is quite a few of them, and I think that's really nice because you are supposed to be switching out your brush heads after a while. So really nice that that comes with so many. I do really like that. There is this little box here that has a charger in it. It's a USB charger, so I don't know if this like goes into a plug and then goes into the wall, I'm assuming. So I can't even lie to you guys, this toothbrush looks super bougie and I'm all for it. I think it's super cute. Like, it's just really good quality. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but this is definitely the fanciest toothbrush I've ever owned in my entire 25 years of living. What I do like is that it has like this little plastic cap on it that fits nice and snug and kind of like snaps on, and it doesn't like come off super easy. So that way if you like wanted to travel and like actually take this with you, you could even just put this top part into like a baggie, which I think is really nice. But when you're ready to use it, just snap that boy back on. I think that's so cool. So yeah, it's definitely going to be battery operated. I hope it's already charged because I want to use... That is so loud. Maybe it's because the cap was on. Okay, way quieter, and that's definitely because the cap was on. I was like, what the? That is the loudest toothbrush I've ever heard. Oh, when you look at the toothbrush, I don't know if you guys can really see this, but down here there's like a little lightning bolt. And this is saying that it's fully charged. So I'm assuming that's going to be a different color if it needs to be like charged soon. So I would just assume that when this needs charged, that's going to be probably a different color down there. But let's go ahead and brush our teeth. So I will flip the camera around and show you guys like the instructions on what it says, but it looks like it has the teeth kind of like divided into 4 quadrants. So it looks like the top, lower, and lower in intervals of 30 seconds on each, and then it looks like the toothbrush will automatically shut off after 2 minutes because that is like dentist recommended like time of brushing your teeth. And then it looks like there's also different zones or like modes that you could change the toothbrush into. So like I'll again flip the camera around, but there's like different parts. Like once you like turn this on, and you can see that the light is moving. It has like different modes that you can choose from, and then again, those are for like sensitive mode, cleaning mode, whitening mode, polishing mode, and a massage mode. So depending like what you're wanting to do, I feel like daily I'll probably just use like sensitive mode just for like normal brushing, but then you have those other options for when you want to do other things. Okay, I'm in my bathroom. Excuse the lighting. This is literally as good as it's gonna get. I tried so many different ways. The lighting is super bright, and then if I go any like further down on my camera, it's too dark. So this is just how it's gonna be, but I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I'm so excited actually. I'm gonna go ahead and use a sensitive toothpaste. So I use Sensodyne for my toothpaste. So overall, I feel like that toothbrush did get my teeth very clean. My teeth feel like nice and smooth and just really clean. However, that toothbrush is very strong, like it's really powerful. Even on the sensitive mode, I kind of played with a couple of the other modes to see, but I tried to stay in each quadrant for 30 seconds, but it was too sensitive on my teeth right now, especially because I just had dental work done like 2 days ago. So maybe not even the toothbrush, it's probably just my teeth are sensitive from being worked on. However, I could not stay in one section at a time, so I just went ahead and brushed my teeth kind of like normal. But yeah, I do really like it. It's super powerful. I think it's a super good price. I mean, only 40 bucks for an electronic toothbrush is pretty good deal, especially that it comes with 8 different toothbrush heads. I think 40 bucks is a steal. Definitely recommend if you guys need a toothbrush. But yeah, my teeth are super clean and white. My teeth are gonna be very well prepared for this wedding. So but yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little review. Definitely check down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But that is it for today. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.